we're going to look at a little tiny thing I do in Bulerías a lot, which I call 1 unit of Alzapua. And we're going to look at a bunch of ways to use it because doing it is really good for your technique, but learning how to use it is really good for your compás. So combining the two makes this a really fun way to play around with both your Alzapua technique, but also really knowing where you are in the compás. If you're not completely solid with your Bulerías and you want a much more directed way of learning how to play Bulerías, check out Flamenco Explained, where we have a 3-level Bulerías course that's completely directed and will take you from the beginning through some really advanced material to get you to play very confidently and in compás. Right? So the basic idea is that we're taking this, just that, right? Down, up, and then pulling off. We've got ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, pinky on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. We start with our thumb on the 4th string, right? Down, up, we hit the B flat, and then we pull it off, right? That's why I call it 1 unit of Alzapua, right? Each thing happens once. And it's 2 beats, right? It's ta-ka-ta-tum, right? Very important. It's not... It's not da-da-da-da, it's da-ga-da-doom. So before you start playing with it, you really want to get that down. Once you have it down, the simplest way to use it, I think, is to do this. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? So anywhere you would do a 7, 8, 9, 10 to resolve your Bulerías Compás, you're doing 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, works really nicely like that. The first variation I usually teach is this one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? It's actually even simpler than the previous thing. We're doing 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? And very often I'll play those as a pair. I'll do 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Keep going. The next way we're going to look at it is a little trickier because you're probably, if you're not super experienced with Bulerías, you're probably used to ending most of your phrases on 6 or 10. But what we're going to do here is we're actually going to end on 12 by doing this 3 times instead of 2. So we're going to do 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 3, 6. Right? So it's a little tricky. We start the way we normally would. 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Right? So that's where you have to be really sure that you don't do and then 11, 12, right? That'll mess you up. It's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. There's a lot of ways to get to 3 from that last 12. What we're going to do, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Ways to use this, right? We have 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3. And the last one we're going to do is a little more tricky, right? Because we're going to keep going. We're going to go 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, so this one's a little weird. We go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, so normal tempo would be 12, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I would do is take each of these and really get comfortable with one at a time, right? Once it's really, really easy, go on to the next one. Don't try to learn them all immediately, because I do think unless you're, really, really solid in your compás, it's going to get a little confusing. So what I would do is just get used to this one. 11, 12, 4, 5, 6. Then, right, just get used to these. Now, when you have those 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once you have that, then 12, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, and you wouldn't necessarily play them all together like that. What I would do is sort of scatter them around your bulería to make your compás more interesting. Right, you don't want to do one after the other. It'll sound like a study. But if you kind of really get these into your body, they're really fun. And technically, it's not actually that hard, but it sounds great.